Today we'll learn how to edit this kind of photo up to professional level using Snapseed. So first download and install Snapseed and then launch it. So what you can see here is a plus icon. So click on the plus to import anything. Here is a beautiful photo taken by myself at home. So I'm gonna edit this one. So here you can see here are some templates that you can use simply. So in a time, so you can see you can add this at first to make different look, like faded glow looks like that, and if you choose morning it will looks like a brighter bluish and a warm thing. So I won't to use any of them. I'll skip them. Now let's go to the next web, tools. So in the tools, first what I need to do is to crop it. So crop this place because I don't need this object. So I've cropped it, and now it's time to tune image. So I've selected this one. So now this I can, if I drag this one, I can change the values. So this is brightness, and if I drag to upside and downside, I can change these modes. So now I'm in brightness, so I can just drag and increase the brightness, so that looks so much bad. So I need to decrease the brightness. So this is the perfect maybe. Then contrast will make a difference into black and white or bright or dark things. So if I more contrast, now you can understand how it looks, and less contrast, now it's look like hazy. So maybe in this photo I need a little bit of contrast for making a difference between the glass and the background. Then saturation. The saturation means how colorful that will be. So low saturation means black and white, and more saturation means color guard, colorizing your photo. So I don't need saturation for this kind of photo. So I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna play this to -24. It's all right. Then ambience. It will work like highlights. It will highlight the darker sides. So I don't need it at all. Now highlights, it also the same thing that I told you. So I don't need highlights for this photo. Now shadows you can understand, computer can configure these sides as shadow. So I don't need that this would be visible to this photo. Then warmth. This is how it is warm or cold. It will indicate like that. So if I select this one, it's like you are in a country where there is -30 degrees Celsius, and that means you are in Sahara. So okay, all right. So I'll keep it into -14. So let's see the changes. It was like that, and now it is like that. So maybe the brightness is too much low, and I need to increase a little bit of contrast and decrease a little bit of contrast. It is well. Okay. Now it's well. Now it's time to use the selective. This is a great feature of Snapseed. So selective. So for this, I'm gonna click to the plus icon. Then I'm gonna click to any part of my photo. For example, I can select this part. So now I can select any part of my photo and edit any part, not the entire photo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna increase its brightness. I'm gonna increase its contrast. Now I'm going to increase its, decrease its saturation, and structure. I'm going to increase the high structure. So you can see the full photo hasn't changed. Only this part of this photo have been changed. So you can add multiple at a same photo. So I'm gonna drop it here, and I don't like that my background would be visible to my viewers. So I'm gonna delete, remove this one, and then contrast, saturation, everything I'm going to remove from this part. So then I'm going to copy this one and paste it over there. So you can see my background is about invisible. So it's okay. Let's see the difference. You can see, you can understand it was like before, and now it's like that. So well, we have gone so far. Now it's time to work with the curves. So let's you can understand the curve by changing its value. So for example, like this ones, if I decrease it, if I move it down, the brightness decreased, and now it's increased the brightness. Now it's about the contrast maybe. So this one here and this one there. Well, this is the perfect for me. That's well, so far we have gone so far, and maybe we can add lens blur for blurring our background. So I'm gonna remove it to here. Not this kind of. I'd like to choose this kind of blur. So well, now it looks professional. Okay, now let me go further. I would add a text here that I will double tap to it. Then life is water. So life is water. This type of calligraphy doesn't seems me much professional, so I'm gonna change these. I will watch the template and see which one is the best one for me. So you can see there are multiple templates with professional calligraphies. So let me see which one is the best one. So maybe I need that life is in a part and water is in another part. So this one is the best to me, where life is in a part and water is in a part. So these grid lines will help me to place this text. So here I will place this text. So okay, all right, it's at the middle. Fine. So now, okay, now look at this photo. It's all about to maybe there is something missing, glamour glow. This will help us. Let's see which template would work for me the most. This one, a little bit decrease the glow. Now it looks good. A little bit of color correction. So after everything, I don't need perspective or anything others here. So total contrast, I'll increase a little bit of it. So yes, after everything, I found a beautiful professional calligraphied photo using Snapseed without any software. I haven't used any computer software. If anyone watches this, you will think that you're professional, but you have done it with Snapseed. It is totally free in Play Store. So this includes a lot of features that many app doesn't have thought. So this was today's video. Hope you have liked the entire tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up and share this video to others that they can also learn, and don't forget to subscribe our Pure Unique Pro. Thank you very much.